So let me now take you across directly to Chennai. Joining us live, DD India's Deepika Mahato. Deepika, quite a challenging run chase still there for Zimbabwe if they can make it, but it does seem pretty quite a tall order now.
And also got them quite a treat for Team India because all boxes have been ticked here very nicely. When there were questions on Abhishek, Abhishek scored his first 50 of the T20 tournament. There were questions on overall Team India's score. India put up a very brilliant score, which will go down in the books of history. Apart from that, there were questions on Surya Kumar Yadav. Surya Kumar Yadav also scored his 4,000 international runs. We have some fans also who are present here to talk more about this brilliant innings that India put up against Zimbabwe. Had this been the case against South Africa, things have been would have been really different. But nevertheless, today India has really made it. What do you think? You've come all the way from Gurgaon to Chennai to watch this specific match. How do you find the overall performance of Team India in the first innings?
Yeah, actually there was a lot of expectations from Abhishek Sharma after first 3 innings. So he really did well, and especially the Hardik Pandya at the end and Tilak Verma. They both boosted the innings, and we really hope India makes it into semi-final. Today I was rooting for South Africa to win, and they won from 9 wickets.
Yeah.
So we are really expecting that India, they boost their run rate and they make it into semi-finals. We hope.
We have another fan with us. When we talk about Sanju Samson, he also scored. Sanju Samson was a change, much needed change that was brought in today. And Zimbabwe really couldn't, couldn't fight Team India, which is in its superior form today. How do you look at the match?
No, I think it's been a terrific performance from the Indian cricket team. Just don't underestimate Zimbabwe. They have beaten the Australia. So we have totally outplayed Zimbabwe so far in the match. And I think Sanju Samson, his home ground, obviously he's picked by CSK. So he performed brilliantly, and especially Abhishek Sharma. The way he performed, I remember Mohammad Amir and a lot of ex-cricketers telling him as a slogger. Today he proved everyone wrong. I think it was a terrific performance. I hope the previous match was just a wake-up call for the Indian team. So hopefully we'll seek a lot of mistakes from that side and we'll continue this momentum.
Seems like a double delight for Team India because South Africa has not only won the match against West Indies, which everybody was expecting, who were supporting Team India, but Team India has, it seems like they will defeat with the required rate, going beyond the 77, winning by the 77 run mark against Zimbabwe. Let's see, the major match is still ongoing. A very quick last question on India's tryst with this Chippewa ground. It has been a love story between India and the Chippewa ground. How do you look at it?
Yeah, it's been, I'm coming for the first time. I'm watching in my entire life, I'm watching the match for the first time, and I came all the way from Gurgaon especially.
All right, so there you heard, Gautam, that fans are really delighted to see India perform in this fantastic, spectacular manner, and hope that they will continue this momentum going ahead in the second last match of the Super 8, which is against West Indies, that Team India has to face next.
Yeah, certainly, Deepika.